What's up everybody? I'm Andre and this is Edible Fitness, the fitness you can eat. We're going international. We are making Korean seaweed soup, Miyeok Guk. Let's get started. Alright, so basically this Korean seaweed soup, or Miyeok Guk, is what new Korean mothers eat because it's got a lot of nutrients in it, and so it helps with recovery after giving birth, and it also helps with the production of breast milk. A lot of Koreans also eat it on their birthdays, but now I'm gonna help you recreate it so you can have it anytime. Now the version I'm making is the vegetarian version, so I'm going to be using tofu instead of beef or shrimp, which is another option as well. So after you've boiled some water, you're going to take your dried seaweed from the package. I love the smell of seaweed. I don't know about you guys, but I love it. So this is what it looks like. You don't even need this much, okay? So I am going to, and you'll see, it totally expands. So I'm gonna take that. These are some pieces that are left over. I'll show you in a second how much I'm using, but it's really not a lot. That might even be too much. All right, so you can kind of see it in there. It's not a lot, okay? But like I said, it's totally going to expand and become a lot. Make sure it's totally covered and give it about 20 minutes to half hour.
20 minutes later.
All right, so as you can see, it is ready to go. Yeah, there's a lot in here. I won't be using all of this, but yeah, not a problem at all. So I'm gonna take some of it out and wring out the water as best I can. Now I'm not gonna put this into the pan whole. I am gonna cut it up a bit. So cut it up. And then I'm gonna add it to a pot that's heated with the sesame oil. Don't use anything else, no olive oil, no sunflower, safflower, nothing else. Use the sesame oil. It gives that nutty flavor. It's exactly what you need for this. It's great. All right, so I've let that go for a couple of minutes, about 3-4 minutes. Now I'm gonna add water and the soy sauce. Now, this is not regular soy sauce. My Korean friends will kill me if I do not tell you not to get just any old regular soy sauce. Make sure you're getting the Korean one, actually right here, the gukkanjang, right? Gukkanjang. That's the one that you're looking for. You can go to your local Korean shop if you have one, or maybe an Asian supermarket. Hopefully you've got one nearby. So what I'm gonna do now is, yes, add the water to this. Now, you just wanna add enough to cover the seaweed. And then I'm going to add in the soy sauce and a little bit of salt as well. If you want to alter the flavor, make sure you alter it with salt, not soy sauce. All right, cool. All right, so once this comes to a boil, you want to turn it down, cover it, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Give it a taste, make sure it's how you like it, and then let it go for another 10 minutes. So good, so good. Taste of the broth. It's super hot. Yeah, it's perfect. It's so good. I love it so much. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you always know when I upload new videos just like this one. So good. All right, guys, I'll see you next time right back here on Edible Fitness. Bye.